Hello everyone! Are you ready to expand your business and start selling on Facebook Marketplace in 2023? In this video, we will show you how to get started with step-by-step instructions from setting up your marketplace account to creating your listings and managing your orders. We will guide you through the entire process step by step. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First thing that I will need you guys to do is launch your browser. Right after that, go and connect your Facebook account. So click on your Facebook account, and as you can see here, it has been launched. So simply now what I'm going to do is go to the section where I can find the marketplace. So over here, click on it, and then you can simply see here all the listings in your area or in your country. Otherwise, if you'd like to add a new listing to Facebook Marketplace, you can just go to that section which is right below the search bar. So you find it here, click on create new listing, and from there you can create a new listing. Now here, choose the listing type. You will have three main types, which are item for sale, vehicle for sale, or home for sale or rent. So for us, we're gonna go with item for sale. Let's go with that. And here, simply all you need to do is simply fill this form. You will have to choose photo, title, the price, category, and the condition. Finally, if you'd like to boost the listing after publish, you will have to get your Facebook manager on. So you'll have to pay kind of like around $3 or $1 per day, and the actual markets will go so viral in your city. So do that step by step. So first I'm going to start with the photo. I'm going, for example, to sell for example, my operator in Valorant. So here it is, the image is being loaded. So I'm going to sell operator. So this is just an example, guys. So here, operator Valorant, operator for sale, and here the price I'm gonna choose 2,000 dirhams, which is around 200 bucks, which is too expensive, but yeah, for the sake of tutorial, guys. Here the category, I'm going to choose every category that has a relation with this operator. So for us, we will have to go with entertainment, video games. And here condition, brand new. So I didn't use it. It has all the condition, very good. Now, when you finish with that, you can go to description and add the description. So here you literally have to put every little detail about the product that you are going to sell. So let's start with the description. Here I'm like selling, let's check the name again. So okay, arcade operator with full effect opened and full colors, brand new bundle. So this is just an example of the description that I'm going to use with this operator. Now let's go with availability. List a single item or a stock. So do you have a stock of items that you're willing to sell, or only one product? In our case, we only have one operator to sell, which is a single item. Here the product tags. I'm going to add Valorant, operator, account, 2023, FPS, CSGO, Fortnite, something like that. So Riot Games, League of Legends, something that can catch people when they search for these keywords. It will be which will have a relation with this item, which is the operator. Now let's say we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's make them 10. So I'm going to use, for example, gaming, and that's it. Now for the SKU, we don't really have like an SKU which is like a number for this product, so we're just gonna skip it. And here the location, where do you want to sell it? So let's choose worldwide, or something like that, the whole word. We don't have it. Alright, so for example, we choose USA, as simple as that. So here it is, USA, it is done. And here, as you can see, this is the kind of how you'd like the product to be shipped. So would you like to meet that person in public? So you want them to come to your house and take the product from you, or you go to their house and give them the product, which is door drop off. For us, we don't really do anything from these. We can do actually public meetup, and finally here you can go to next. Here you will be they will be helping you to list your product in multiple groups, multiple spaces. For example, it will be mainly listed in the marketplace, but you can also share it, for example, in that group, which is a public group for gaming PC. Here you can search for other groups that are supported by the marketplace, which allows you to actually list that products on their groups, so you can gain more people to see that product and have more chance to sell it to someone. And finally, we finish with everything. You just have to click on publish. So here it goes, publish, and here it is being published, and everyone will be able to see it. So as you can see, this is the actual product that we have created. This is an old one that I have posted, and it is actually has been sold in like around 4 days to 3 days. So it is not hard for you to actually sell these skins and like the items that you have in marketplace. So here we can click and mark as pending, view listing, and edit the listing and delete the listing. So you have all the options over here. You can boost it through here by clicking over it, and then you will get here how much you'll have to pay in order to get it. You can pay in around the minimum of $1, or you can just go for like two, three, it depends on you. So here fix the budget, as you can see. And finally here, as you saw, I have some problem with my account. I don't really have it correctly made, but in case you had your account correctly approved by Facebook, you can actually pay and your actual marketplace will go viral to multiple people. And when you finish with that, you can just click in here on promote now, and then the actual, it's like making ads. So you know, if you have any experience with ads, it's the same as ads, but in marketplace. So people will be able to see more than usual your own product than other products. So it is the same as ads. You just have to pay, and then people will be able to see your products. And in case you got lost, for example, and you don't know where to find your product, you went to the home screen. Just go back to the marketplace over here, and you will find here um, selling in the selling section, and then you will find all your products over here. So it is as simple as that and very easy. And in case once more you'd like to add a new product, you can go here, create new listing. And in case, for example, we want to remove it, you just have to click here, delete listing, delete. And here I'd rather not answer, next, and it has been removed. As simple as that. So it won't really take that long of your time, 5 minutes, 6 minutes maximum, and your product shall be listed on Facebook and ready to be sold. So thank you guys for watching till this moment. I hope you like this video, and see you guys in the next tutorial.